See, Tatas are blessed by God. They are my role model. They're the person who established the house of Tata, Sir Ratan Tata, not this, and Sir Jamshedji Tata. They willed all their wealth to charity. And do you know one thing? The Tata Cancer Hospital in Bombay. Every child who comes to Bombay is examined by them. If they feel they can cure it, they give free treatment. The Indian Cancer Society gives medicines. Now they're setting up a cancer hospital in every district, in every headquarters in India. Who set up India's first steel plant, first hotel, 5-star hotel, first power plant, first software company, first car manufacturing company? Who set up the Indian Institute of Sciences? Who set up the Tatas? So it is a role model of what is wealth. They are creating wealth for the good of society. What greater noble aim can a human have? Right? So they are my role